Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. We are starting the year off with another wig review, and this time it's from Asteria Hair. They sent some goodies just like this scrunchie, the edge brush, a melting band, and 2 wig caps. And here is what the wig looks like. This is their 13x6 HD frontal unit in 30 inches and 250 density, and this is in body wave texture. I like how it comes so curly already, so you really don't have to style it. The hair feels really soft, and I feel like it's pretty dark. It's not like a dark brown, it feels black. And this is what the inside looks like. It already came pre-bleached and pre-plucked, so very easy and ready to put on. Here are what the knots look like, and they're very small all throughout the lace, so it's much more seamless and much more natural looking. So I've already put the bald cap on, and I just used a little bit of bolt holds just on the edges, and I'm tried to stay as far away from my actual edges. And then I used the bolt hold liquid golds just behind there, just so that when I put the glue it's not seeping through. So I'm just gonna cut off the extra wig cap and I'll be right back. Now I'm just taking some powder and darkening the wig cap, especially around the perimeter. And then a lighter one. Alright, so let's try this on. So it does have a adjustable band, and sometimes these do tend to hurt me, but let's see how it feels first. Oh, I did go in and pluck it a little bit more, but you really don't have to. They did pluck it pretty well. It's been so long since I've worn a wig, so I'm excited. This looks so good already, like so easy. You don't even need to do too much, but I just wanted no baby hairs, so I plucked it a little bit extra, but so nice. I just made some outlines so I know exactly where the glue is going, and then I always clean it up with some alcohol. Now using some bolt hold active, I'm gonna do about 3 layers. Now we just wait until the glue is pretty much clear, and then you can stick everything together. And once I tie down the melting band, I just wait for about 10 minutes. I love how the hairline is looking so far. It looks super natural, and now I'm taking some mousse and spraying some tint in it and then putting that on my lace before wrapping it with the melting band again. Then I also put some spritz on my finger and then press that into the lace as well. Now I'm just adding a bit of heat protectant to add some shine, but I don't really need to style the wig. Since the curls were already in the wig, I'm just brushing it out and it should all be ready to go. After putting some wax and hot combing the top, I'm just adding the got to be for some shine and to hold everything together. And here is the final look. I am so obsessed with this wig. It's so easy and a must try. I don't really need to do too much, and if you're someone who doesn't want to style or doesn't know how to style or doesn't know how to bleach knots and pluck and all that, this is the wig for you. It comes all ready, and I love Asteria hair, always have good experiences with them, so I'll put all the info in the description down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!